Good afternoon, Pennsylvania. I'm student meteorologist Michael Page here now on this Monday afternoon. We are tracking a significant winter storm that will be impacting Pennsylvania as we go through the middle portion of the week. Right now, though, it's just cold, especially across the northern tier of the Commonwealth right now, where we have teens being reported. It's 20 here in State College, but notice we have 34 now showing up in Morgantown, West Virginia. That's important because it does signal some warmer air that will be moving up from the south as we go through the next couple of days. That will lead to a wintry mix around much of central Pennsylvania on Wednesday. Some clouds starting to advance now from the west, also a cloud shield working up from the south, so that sunshine today will be fading to increasing clouds, and then overnight tonight even more clouds will continue to fill in, and we'll see some snow breaking out for tomorrow. That snow is coming from a storm that's wrapping up in the Midwest right now. Heavy accumulations expected all across portions of the Midwest, including Chicago, so there'll be lots of travel delays at O'Hare this week. And a piece of that snow is going to break off for Tuesday, come in our direction, and then we'll see more of a wintry mix developing on Wednesday as warmer air comes in from the south, as I pointed out a few moments ago. So ahead of that winter weather, we do have a winter storm watch now in effect for a good portion of Pennsylvania, shaded in blue here, indicating that we are likely to see a wintry mix as we go through the Wednesday time frame. Pink areas, that denotes a winter storm warning. Basically, that just means the weather will be advancing a little bit sooner there. Everyone will likely be going over to some type of warning or a more strongly worded statement as we go through the next couple of days. So for the rest of today, highs only reaching the 20s with sunshine fading behind increasing clouds. For tonight, those clouds continue to move in and we'll have snow breaking out as well. Notice we have temperatures only in the teens. There could be a little bit mixing across far southwestern portions of Pennsylvania, but I think for the most part, these will be snow showers starting to arrive. And again, mostly snow for tomorrow, aside from just some random mixing at times to the south, but primarily a snow event coming up for Tuesday. Not too much of it, basically probably about 2 to 4 inches of snow through central Pennsylvania, maybe a little bit more to the north, a little bit less to the south, and that will be very similar to what we see on Wednesday as well. So let's just sum it up again. Tuesday, we have snow across most of the state, perhaps a little bit mixing down to the southwest, where some of that warmer air gets involved sooner. But then on Wednesday, it's a pretty clear divide. The low will be tracking right across Pennsylvania. So to the north, it will be cold enough for snow and lots of it. We're talking around a foot, if not more. To the south, though, it's a wintry mix of ice, freezing rain, and some sleet. So it's going to be very slow going across central Pennsylvania. On southward, we'll call it about I-80 as a dividing line for where that wintry mix versus snow will set up. So if you're coming to see President Obama speak on Wednesday here at Penn State, it looks like it will be quite a trip. You're going to need to leave some extra time for sure. Let's take a look, though, at the next 5 days, and we'll see that this wintry mix is actually going to give way to some colder temperatures towards the end of the week. The good news is that sunshine will be returning, but again, it will be much colder. So here are those 5 days for you, including Groundhog Day. With snow on Tuesday, the groundhog will be awakening to more of a wintry mix on Wednesday in Punxsutawney. Cold, though, on Thursday and Friday, with a little bit more sunshine developing, highs only reaching the lower 20s. Saturday brings the next flurry chance. High temperatures, though, still only reaching the mid-20s. That is your forecast for now. I'm student meteorologist Michael Page.